your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
We would like to be the first to welcome you to Chicago, where it's currently 7:53 a.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off and we are safely parked at the gate. Keep the aisles clear of all items, and don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding area to ensure you have all your belongings like cell phones, tablets, chargers, headphones, wallets, because once you exit this aircraft, you will not be permitted to re-enter to retrieve any left behind items. So double check you have everything with you at this time. When opening overhead compartments, please be careful as items may have shifted during flight. This morning, we'll be arriving into Terminal 3, Gate K15, that's K as in kite 15. If Chicago is your final destination and you have any checked bags, you can claim them at carousel number 7. Otherwise, if you're making a connection here in Chicago, feel free to visit the American Airlines app or go to aa.com, plug in your flight information for your most up-to-date gate info. All checked bags can also be claimed at your final destination. On behalf of the Chicago and New York-based crew, we thank you for flying with us this morning. Whether you're staying here in Chicago or just passing through, we thank you for choosing American to be a part of your journey. Have a wonderful rest of your day.